PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning provides professional furnace installation in Swarthmore, Pennsylvania, delivering reliable heat, efficient performance, and comfort for your home with straightforward recommendations and experienced, certified technicians. From replacing outdated units to installing systems in new additions, we handle load calculations, venting, gas lines, and thermostats, keeping Swarthmore homeowners informed, on schedule, and backed by dependable warranties and responsive follow-up service all season long for lasting comfort. Contact us today for a free estimate. Are you looking for a furnace installation service near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. How long should a new furnace last? A new furnace typically lasts 15 to 20 years with proper installation, routine maintenance, professional inspections, and reliable equipment designed for efficient, safe, and consistent heating performance. Why is proper furnace sizing so important? Proper furnace sizing ensures efficient energy use, balanced heating, lower operating cost, improved comfort, reduced repairs, longer equipment lifespan, and safe system operation in residential and commercial spaces. What is the service area for your Swarthmore, Pennsylvania location? Our furnace installation service has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Swarthmore, Media, Glen Riddle, Brookhaven, Upland, Parkside, Village Green, Lima, Chester, Eddystone, Ridley Park, Folsom, Rutledge, Glenolden, Fulcroft, Leicester, Morton, Wallingford, Moylan, and Elwyn, Pennsylvania. Where is your Swarthmore, Pennsylvania furnace installation service office located? We are located at 630 Fairview Road, number 110, Swarthmore, Pennsylvania 19081. Our phone number is 610-424-6275. Visit our website, pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-Swarthmore.